Yeah, hi. Today we are going to be looking at a site called StarClicks, and we're going to find out whether it is actually worth you actually joining StarClicks and whether you're actually going to get paid. And I've also found out some revealing information that you'll want to stay tuned to right to the very end of this video, so make sure you do that as well. So let's just jump straight over to the website. We're going to go through it bit by bit and show you exactly whether StarClicks is worth joining and whether you're going to go and get paid or not. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come onto the star-clicks.com. It says here, watch how this works. So they've got a small video here which shows you exactly how it works. But it's very, very simple, guys, really. You go and obviously sign up for a free account, which I'll show you exactly how you can do that very shortly. And then you literally watch ads and then you get paid for watching ads. I want to go into more depth into the StarClick site. Is it going to be worth your while to join it? Are they actually paying out? What other people are saying about StarClicks? And also, I've certainly uncovered some information that you will definitely want to know before you go and actually start with StarClick. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end for that information so you can make a really good judgment on whether StarClicks is going to be for you. This is basically how it works. You sign up for a free account and you want to sign up as a publisher. So you've got publishers and advertisers. You want to be a publisher. You can sign up as an advertiser and then you can pay to have your website on here. So then when people click on the ads, it will go through and you'll be able to see your ad. You then obviously sign in and they'll send you an activation email verification code to your mobile phone. So you just literally click that to verify your email. And then it says you get paid instantly for every advertising link you click, provided by our advertisers. So in other words, the advertisers are paying for those clicks. And then obviously when you get to a certain level, you can transfer your money from your account into your PayPal or bank account and more. So they pay via PayPal, they can pay directly into your bank. These are all good signs, guys. But again, like I say, stay tuned. There are certain things I'm going to uncover later in the video that you're going to want to know before you go and join. So make sure you watch this right to the very end. So here's some features. Obviously, like I said, it's going to be 1 cent per click per ad. You can get a silver, gold and platinum memberships. And I'll go into that in a minute because I'm going to dive straight into the website and show you exactly this as well. You've got your payout withdrawal methods there, desktop, mobile, etc. You can click every single day and you can get paid for making referrals. So you can refer people and get paid as well. And like I say, the payments can be through PayPal, a bank transfer, and they have obviously got digital currencies and that sort of thing that they actually do as well. Just going into it a little bit further, I want to just do a little bit of a deeper dive into StarClicks. So like I normally do, I went over to a site called Trustpilot, and as you can see here, starclicks.com has got 20,000 reviews, over 20,000 reviews at a 4.8 rating, which is excellent. Now, they've also claimed their Trustpilot profile, so back in July 2019. So all of these things are saying these are good, this is good, this is a good company, I need to go and join this. Obviously 92% of them are excellent. Now I did scroll down on some of the reviews here, and as you can see, this is a good site. I like it. I mean, site's not spelt right. I just doing and I will withdraw my money. Well, that's again is not very good English. I'm just doing, and that's exactly the same thing. A nice website. I'm so happy. Urgent. StarClicks is a very good online platform. Excellent, superb, nice website. So, I mean, yeah, have a look through these. No one has said how much they've withdrawn and whether they've actually got paid, that sort of thing. So although they've got all these reviews, taken with a pinch of salt, guys, because some of these are looking a little bit skeptical. So let's go back and we'll go straight into StarClicks, into the dashboard, and show you how easy it is to actually go and make money with StarClicks. So as you can see, I've come into my publisher account here and I've got an account balance of 11 cents and today's work is 10 cents here. So the PPC ads here is 10. So there's basically 10 ads I can actually click on today. So let's just show you how quickly and easy you can do that. Okay, so these are the ads that are available today for me, and all you got to do is literally click on it. It'll open in a new window, and this is obviously a website that someone obviously owns, and they've paid to have it advertised. There is, as you'll see, there is no timer or anything. Normally with these PPC sites, there's a little timer. You have to wait 10, 20 seconds or anything like that before you can click away. But no, not with StarClicks. You literally can go away and come back, and as you can see, I've had 1 cent added to my balance. So let's just quickly show that again. You can just go onto the website. This is another website, Gear for Music, and again, very, very quick, we can just click straight back again, and I've added another cent to my balance. So I've got 10 ads, I've got 8 more I could actually click on. I could go through these and it actually make another 8 cents, which is great. And it's very, very quick, very easy to do. Now, the only problem, and we're starting to get into the sort of problem side again, when you obviously go to transfer your balance, so we go here, request payout. As you can see, I've got an available balance of 13 cents. Obviously, the payment methods, PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Western Union. So all good, legit ways of making money and withdrawing. But here we go. The minimum payout is $50. Now, $50 is great. I mean, it's not too bad, especially if you're going to be able to earn 1 cent per click and click all day long. But as we've gathered, you can't click all day long. You only get 10 or 11 sites you can click on a day. So that's 10 cents. So it's going to take you 10 days to make $1. So to make $1, so that's 50 times 10. So that's 500 days before you can hit the payout threshold as a free member. So that's over a year and a half, guys, before you can actually go and withdraw. So as a free member, StarClicks, definitely not worth it. But they do have upgrades. You can upgrade your account. So we click on upgrade account here, but it says at the moment that unfortunately pay members are not available at this time. We will email you once you can upgrade your account. So I don't know why that is not available at the moment. We won't really know. We don't know whether people, if you've got an account with StarClicks and you're getting paid out, and you've got an upgraded account, then obviously let us know. Let us know in the description below. Have you got paid? Do you get paid still at the moment? So we go back to the overview on my account. So you can obviously upgrade, and it's saying here, you see, gold membership upgrade $5. Now I'm not sure whether that is $5 a day or $5 a month or whatever. There's nothing on the website. We can't get in there at the moment to see that. So again, if you know how much it is, then obviously let us know in the comments below. But before we go, I dive even further into the website, purely and simply because I was a little bit skeptical about that they're obviously forcing you to really upgrade before you obviously can pay out, because you're not going to wait a year and a half before you get paid out on the free membership, guys. I dived a little bit deeper like I do and found out some interesting information. Get it? We went down to the bottom of the website, and as you can see here, we've got a contact address, and we've also got the site is managed by Easy Logic EU Limited. I typed in Easy Logic EU Limited, and we got a company's list here. So this is Companies House in the UK, where all the registered limited companies are registered. So I went and had a look, and as you can see, it is a registered company. So it is a legitimate company. The company name's there. It was actually incorporated back in January 2020. That doesn't mean to say it wasn't around before that. It just means it was made into a limited company back in January 2020. And everything seems to be okay. It says they're active, they're not insolvent company. So that, again, does seem quite a positive thing, guys. They say they're an advertising agency. That's what they deal in. So, again, that sort of rings true. So what we've also got on the bottom here is a phone number and an address, Botanic Avenue, Belfast, Northern Ireland. You can put a phone number into Google, so I did that. And it basically came up with this thing here, which it says, what is an 0203 number scammer? And it's just basically people who can call from this number and it can't be traced. It goes through as a legitimate London-based organisation. Now, obviously, they are supposedly London based, they obviously are in Northern Ireland. So again, that is something that doesn't really add up, guys. So there are things on the StarClicks website that are good, that are positive, but there are also stuff on there that are a little bit red flaggish. So what I would suggest with StarClicks, because of the free member, and you have to actually click for 500 days, near enough to get paid out, I would look at other sites. Basically, there are plenty of other sites out there, and I've done a full playlist of other sites. So I would check out some of the other sites that are going to be more reliable, and you can actually pull out your money much quicker. I've done quite a few. You've got obviously feature points, you've got swag bucks, you've got branded surveys, you've got a new one called free cash, which is paying out really well as well. So there are loads of different ones out there that actually work brilliantly, and you means you can get your money out a lot quicker. So I'm not saying that StarClicks is a scam, because I think people obviously have had money out, but you've probably had to upgrade in order to do that. So again, it's not something I would recommend, because I wouldn't want you to go as a free member and just click there for days on end and not actually get paid for your time, because I think that's just a bit of wasted time, to be honest. So that's it. If you've got any questions, if you've got any insights, if perhaps you are a member, obviously let us know in the comments below. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Obviously, make sure you share this video as well. Make sure you watch these videos next if you want something that obviously I recommend that you would actually make reasonable money with online. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.